Good morning. So Mom wanted me to record a video of me making our favorite breakfast, which is Thai fried eggs. I'm still a little sleepy and can't get my thoughts together, so step one is going to be make a nice frothy coffee espresso beverage. Step one, we make rice. This is our rice maker. Put some rice in this bowl. Put it back in there. So here's the rice I'm going to use. Thai Jasmine rice. You don't have to use this brand. You use kind of whatever brand we have, or depends on what store we go to. Put some rice in there. I guess I'll dump all this rice in there. Okay, apparently I need to add rice to the grocery list. And step two. Rinse the rice. Back to the rice maker. Looks perfect. Perfecto. Morning. Rice cooker bowls are hot. Okay. And you can do as much rice as you want, but I usually put just kind of a small layer at the bottom. The more rice you have, the more fish sauce you'll need to because the rice absorbs some of the fish sauce. Now we need to fry some eggs and put it on there. Now for the frying of the egg. I use this small pan so that, just because it's kind of just the right size for an egg or two in there. Lid is a must because it's about to get messy. Well, that and you'll see. Green wise, it's coconut oil. Probably going to use a couple big spoonfuls because we want a good amount of oil in here so that it will kind of fry in the oil and the oil will splatter around. Okay, so maybe just one big one. Yeah, I put it on high all the way. So it doesn't have to be a ton of oil. It has to be enough where there's kind of not just coating the bottom just so that it doesn't stick. We actually want a little bit of oil in the bottom. While that's getting hot, The other ingredients we need are some fish sauce and also the roasted crushed red chilies, because we're going to sprinkle this on at the end to taste. Okay, that looks hot. Let's keep going. Okay, we got 2 eggs. Dropping it in, putting on the lid. Look at that fry in action. Hope the GoPro video isn't covered up by the steam. Oh, now we need spatula. Spatula? No, not a spatula. Look at it. You know what I'm talking about. So you can tell it's getting kind of. You can see that like the oils are popping up off the top and falling back on top. You can also do kind of a little bit of shaking action like this, which will make it angry, one, but it also kind of gets oil around on top. Looking at the yolk, that looks good to me. So I will kill the heat, take the lid off. See how it's crispy around the edges, but the yolk is still nice and you can do that to taste, because Jules kind of likes the yolk a little more done. She does like a little bit of runny. Voila. So that's what it looks like. It's fried and crispy, brown around the edges, but the yolk still has some runny to it. So let's move over here now.
And cuts his finger.
Fresh cilantro. Okay, so fish sauce. This is how much you use. Pay close attention.
Approximately
like 10 jiggles.
Spoonfuls.
Is it? You think so?
No,
should have measured it, but and it depends on how much rice you have.
Yeah.
Then you want to sprinkle some cilantro on top.
You know I only wanted 1 egg, right?
Well, then this is mine. You have to wait for yours.
Okay. Well.
And
oh, Zoe's mom is gonna bring us over some cookies.
Sounds good. So then I just give it kind of a light dusting of hot peppers.
You don't have to do this if you are not a big fan of spicy.
That's crazy talk. Okay, so now we take our cool little Thai spoon and we cut into that. See that nice runny yolk? And you just really go to town with it and mix it up. Well, I guess you can eat it however you want to, but this is how I eat it. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And you just mix it up really good. That's good, right? Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's wonderful. You got some like kind of crispy pieces, some yolks. Another thing we like to do is sometimes is put either with bacon or sausage, breakfast sausage. Yeah, so nothing, yeah, we eat breakfast sausage with it or bacon. Sometimes you blow up the bacon in there, that's really good. Or vegetables and Royale like green onions sliced up on theirs. Okay. I don't think I missed anything. That's it. Love y'all. All right, this has been another episode of Cooking with Aaron. Not really. This is my first video of cooking. And pretty sure it's not going to become a YouTube channel or anything like that, because it's just cooking with me. And who wants to see that? I don't. Yeah, probably not. Bye. Whoa. Didn't think about the steam. Oh my goodness, I broke the yolk. Ah! How did that happen? Oh man, I'm all nervous messing up. All right. Okay. Cafe Cone Mitchell.